Hi guys, Alice here. I want to tell you, please stop overtraining your upper traps. Exercises like shrugs, upright rows, they all work on your upper traps. If you overdevelop your upper traps, you will lose your symmetry, shoulder symmetry. You will look narrow. Traps has three parts: up, mid, and low. In this video, I will show you how to train your traps properly and focus on your mid and lower traps. The first exercise that you can do for your mid and lower traps is a scapula retraction. Like, the only things you need to do is squeeze your shoulder blade together like this. Hey. Sometimes I do some row, and at the end of the set, like I do, for example, 8 to 9 sets. 1, 2, 8, 9, 10, and at the end, I do some scapular retraction like this to work on my, traps. You can change the grip. You can use wider grip to target your real delts too. Bring it to your chest. Some scapula retraction, you can do it. The next exercise you can do is dumbbell, seated row. You put 2 dumbbells, you take them, and you start from your, ankles. You bring the dumbbells next to your ankles and go up, and the key is, squeezing these shoulder blades together. That's very important. That's the key. The other good exercise that you can do for your upper back, traps, is just old school barbell row. But you don't need to go down, parallel to floor. It's work on your, lower lats. But we want to work on our upper lat or upper back. Okay, we go a little forward. It is about 45 degrees. We roll it. And the other exercise that you can do for your upper back and your traps, this chest supported row, but I don't want my arms to come here. I want to come a little, up. No? I go back, squeeze my shoulders. Again, the key is this: squeezing your back, your shoulder blade together. That's the key. And you can do some shoulder retraction like this. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget likes and subscribes.